कत्ती मरी
कैसे गिरे भाई?
भागो
आदमी है,
आदमी है उसमें।
हाँ आदमी है। आदमी पूरा देखो,
आदमी है। चलो
चलो तो नहीं, पानी पूरे ये तो बहुत लाइक है यार।
दोबारा आ रहा, दोबारा।
अरे हम तो इधर ही है, हर्षमुखुआ की तरफ।
ये तो आ ही रहा लगातार यार।
हाँ सुबह गए। अरे ये तो भयंकर स्थिति हो रखी है, पूरा मलबा ही मलबा।
ये देखो, ये दोबारा आ ही रहा।
आप देख सकते हो, बहुत ही बुरी। और अभी कोई ये नहीं है कि आ भी सकती है अभी। ओ भाई, पत्थर कितने बड़े बड़े देखो तो यार, कितने बड़े बड़े फोड़ रहे हो। 10 कुंटल क्या है, हजारों कुंटल के होंगे।
Heavy rains in Dharali Village, Uttarkashi, at 1:45 p.m. on Tuesday caused extensive damage. 4 people were killed in the incident, while more than 50 are missing. Video of heavy rains in Uttarkashi and fears of major damage due to heavy rains in Dharali Village.
चलो तो नहीं, पानी पूरे ये तो बहुत लाइक है यार।
The government stated that the death toll may rise. Teams from the SDRF, NDRF, ITBP, and the Army are conducting rescue efforts. Debris flowing from the mountains into the Ganga River swept away markets, homes, and hotels in Dharali. Everything was destroyed in just 34 seconds. Besides Dharali, heavy rains also occurred in Harshil and Saki. There are reports of 8 to 10 soldiers missing due to heavy rains in the Harshil area. People are seen fleeing in videos, with debris piled up to 9 meters high. Many videos of the disaster have gone viral. In these videos, people are seen running here and there for safety. Screams can be heard everywhere. Those filming this video are screaming for people to escape, even though they are far away. After the disaster, debris piled up to 9 meters high in Dharali. Many shops in the market and surrounding houses were razed to the ground. Dharali Village. Dharali is a small hill village located in the Uttarkashi district of Uttarakhand, 18 kilometers from Gangotri Dam. The village is located near the Harshil Valley, on the banks of the Bhagirathi River. Dharali Village is a major stop on the Gangotri Yatra. It is the last major village before Gangotri Dam, where pilgrims stop for the arduous climb ahead. Pilgrims find accommodation and food here. The village is 218 kilometers from Dehradun and 18 kilometers from Gangotri Dam. It is not yet known how many people were there at the time of the disaster. The administration said the damage is being assessed. A car was swept away by strong currents in Dharali. Several people were trapped inside. A video of the incident has gone viral, showing the car being swept away by strong currents. People screamed in terror. The Air Force has readied its helicopters for rescue operations. Chinook, Mi-17 V5, Cheetah, and ALH helicopters are on standby at Chandigarh Air Base. Officials say these helicopters are ready with the necessary equipment and materials, and as soon as the weather improves, they will take off and deliver relief materials to the affected areas.